With the help of given pedigree, find out the probability for the birth of a child having no disease and being a carrier in F3 generation. Let us see here. The white colored square is unaffected male and the black colored square is affected male, and the circled and a small dot and a dot in the circle is carrier female. She was carrier, not affected. And a white color square is unaffected female, and a fully dark circle is affected female. Okay, now see the pedigree analysis. In the first generation, it is obviously the affected female mates with a unaffected male, produce two daughters with carriers, and these carriers are again mated with an unaffected male, produces the one daughter produces two carrier females, and one daughter produces one of the affected son. Okay, now again F3 generation, the mating in between the relatives. These two lines indicates the mating in between relatives. Now our task is to find out these generation, these kids, F3 generation, and we have to find out the ratio of the child having no disease and being a carrier. This question is from the chapter named Variations from class 12 biology. Here the mating takes place between carrier female, it is not unaffected female. This is carrier which transmit the disease from one generation to another generation. Next, affected male. Okay, now the answer is 1/4. Option 1 is the answer. Let's see how. Before that, let us see the genotype of the affected male, unaffected male, and carrier female and affected female. The female has two X chromosome, where male has only one X chromosome and Y chromosome. In case of affected male, if the X chromosome affected, it will be deceased child. If the X chromosome is not affected, unaffected male. In case of carrier female, only one of the X chromosome is affected, so it will be like carrier, other will be free, no disease. Here this will be dominant, so this female or this daughter will become carrier to the next generation. In case of affected female, both chromosomes are affected, so the mating takes place between affected male and unaffected carrier female. Okay, it produces four outcomes, obviously two sons and two daughters. Here one of the daughter is affected and one of the son is affected, and here one daughter is carrier, one son is unaffected. So our question is probability for the child having no disease and being a carrier. It should be a carrier and no disease. Obviously it is a female and only one, so only 1 out of 4, 1/4 is the answer. Out of 4, only one child, here this case, this child is a carrier and unaffected. The probability is 1/4.